Basic English versus idioms. Stop wasting time. Stop beating around the bush. It's very easy. It's a piece of cake. I'm very hungry. I could eat a horse. Let's leave. Let's hit the road. I completely agree with you. We see eye to eye. It's not my business. Not my circus, not my monkeys. I'm so nervous. I'm getting butterflies in my stomach. You're so lucky. You've hit the jackpot. Don't quit. You tell me. Write down your answers in the comments below. Get free IELTS speaking assessment with Fixoland. Download the app now. Subscribe for more.